All right, so today we're going to be unboxing this GruppeM M's Power Cleaner part number PC-0609 for a Suzuki Carry DA63T. Now that's a typo. It should say DA63T, not 36. And this was purchased from Black Hawk, Japan. And if you're interested in purchasing this or any aftermarket part or OEM part for your JDM vehicle, please go ahead and click on my affiliate link in the comments down below. Otherwise, let's get to the unboxing. So a note that Customs got to this box before I did, and look how they opened it up. Really interesting why they'd open it up like that, but I guess thank you, Customs, for opening the box for me. Anyways, let's take a look at the contents. So, we'll just take everything out here and then go through it. And then obviously the packing peanuts, but we don't need to see those. All right, so what do we have here? We have the hydro shield. We have some installation, hose clamp, zip tie. Looks like we have 2 screws with the washer, the grommet, breather tube, clamp, and some sort of rubber edge protection. And then we have the intake adapter itself, made out of metal, and then we have the filter. And now this is just a standard part K&N filter, but it does come with this kit. And then of course it comes with its literature. So first we have this K&N literature with the standard K&N information. But of course it's in Japanese, but you can go on K&N's website and get details in English. And then we have a K&N vinyl sticker, neat. And we have a GruppeM vinyl sticker, neat. And then we have the literature with instructions in color. Unfortunately not numbered, but I mean, it's relatively straightforward. If you're interested in seeing an installation video, leave a comment below, let me know. And if you need this translated, once again, in the comments, let me know. And as you can see, there's everything that it comes with. So there you have it, pretty simple. And once again, if you would like to see an installation video, review video, anything like that, let me know. This is what comes with the kit. And then once again, I purchased this from Black Hawk, Japan. And if you're interested in this part or any other aftermarket or OEM part from Japan for your JDM vehicle, please go ahead and click on my affiliate link below and do some shopping. Thank you very much.